Hey guys, so a bunch of you wanted a longer video showing off my build, so I'm gonna make one for you guys now. In my YouTube Studio app, I saw that 93% of you all are not subscribed, so make sure to subscribe to not miss any further updates. So coming right to my build in this stage as it is now. Each character has got 9 of these SG90 micro servos. Keep in mind I'm still missing the eye, left, right and the eyelid servo, so these are not moving as of now. Each character has got a normal size servo back here, just a standard one for the body lean, as this needs a bit more strength. In the base for the rotation of the stage there is also a standard size servo with 25 kilos. And in the middle for the main stage movement there's also just a normal size servo with 35 kilos of strength. As a bunch of you all ask where I got the files for the 3D printed mechs, they are from cards3d.com. I'm gonna give you a link in the description so you can buy them from the original creator, because these files are just amazing. In my bots I just modified the upper arm pieces here so that they are not straight as in the original files, and they have the arms a little more towards the front, and the leg pieces I also designed myself. These are not in the original files. As of now, every character has gotten a body lean movement, an elbow movement on each side, an arm twist movement. Here are the servos for the arm up and down movements, a head twist, a head up and down, and a mouth movement, of course. As you might have seen, I've only gotten this ribbon cable and this single wire coming up from the base to each character. That's just because I've got this single point that provides power to every single servo, and the ribbon cable splits off and gives every servo their PWM signal. That's just because I didn't want 3 pins for every motor going through the base, which would be hard because of my stage turn movement. As you can see, this is the control system for the whole show. It only consists of a power supply over here, a 5 volt 20 amps to power up all the 34 servos, which in my case the 20 amps seems to be enough. At the heart we have an ESP32 over here, which in its place was an Arduino before, but the processing power of the Arduino were only enough to power around 5 servos before it started lagging. With the ESP30 I didn't run into any problems running my 34 servos. Up on top we have 3 standard servo control boards which speak over an I2C, I think it's called, control system to the ESP30, so we only have got 2 pins for the signal and 2 pins to power the servo boards. As you can see on the servo boards, you can basically straight up hook up your servos right here, but I've gotten my ribbon cables hooked up and the power coming straight from the power supply. So for the software I use Botango to program my show. As long as I've got my ESP32 hooked up to the USB port of my computer, I can just hit the live button and the Botango app starts speaking to the ESP and the servo drivers. So now I can show you, I have every single movement listed up right here. And for example, if I want to move the mouth of the first character, I can just easily hit a button right there, and as you can see, it opens and closes the mouth. On the software it looks like this. So I can do this with every single movement. For example, if I wanted the head up and down to see if it works fine, I can just hit a button right there and the head should move up and down. That works for every single movement, and if you want to know how to animate them into a whole show, there are many YouTube videos on how you do that. I'm currently working on a new program to the song Twist and Shout from the Beatles. I'm gonna upload a video as soon as this is done. So stick around and make sure to subscribe. See ya guys!